The Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, is setting its eyes on selling shore power to ships that dock at the nation's ports. The revelation was made by the university's principal, Professor Andrew Spencer, at the Higher Education Conference being held at Princess Resorts. Kimberly Petty reports.
Faced with a massive climate change challenge, the president of the Caribbean Maritime University, Professor Andrew Spencer, said the decision was taken to go solar, and so the campus operates entirely off-grid during the day as it is fully powered by solar energy. This has resulted in millions in savings in energy bills. Now, the CMU is exploring ways to sell shore power to ships. Shore power allows the docked ships to plug into the local power grid to stop burning fossil fuels.
The CMU just got established its new non-destructive testing lab with radiographic capabilities. What does that mean? It means we're now gone into nuclear energy, but not nuclear energy just for the sake of nuclear energy.
Professor Spencer detailed his plans.
We want to be able to sell them shore power, what we call shore power. So we're giving them electricity. So they're already taking our water and paying us for that. We want to give them electricity as well while they're in port.
This transition, he adds, offers massive environmental, economic and operational advantages for ship owners and local port communities. And while the institution does use the JPS's grid at nights, as the demand is less, he believes it would not be feasible to sell the ship's shore power whilst utilizing the JPS's grid. And so, alternative methods are being explored.
So we're looking at green power, green energy, blue energy, and we're looking at nuclear energy to be able to do that.
Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.